What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. We are outside today, but unfortunately it's raining. And that's not what we want, because today we have a new guest, and this guest is Stef.
I am Stef. I wanted to do this roof cap, but I'm scared, so hopefully Koen is going to help me.
We are going to help Stef do his first roof cap. So we are going to give you 5 tips to get over a fear for your first roof cap. Okay, before we start, we need to do a warm-up. Let's go. Tip number 1. Measure the gap with your own feet so you know you can really jump it. Tip number 2. Go to the gym and remake the spot in a safe environment. Tip number 3. Do the jump in a safe environment so you know you will make it outside easily. Tip number 4. Do the same distance of the gap but on ground level. Tip number 5. Prepare yourself mentally, check your takeoff and your landing, and then you're ready for your first roof cap.
Yeah, let's go!
Congratulations on your first roof cap, bro. Sick, let's go. He did his first roof cap outside today with these 5 tips. If these 5 tips helped you guys as well, let us know down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and put on the thumbs. Stef and I are back in the gym because we need to teach. Stef is an assistant trainer of mine here at the Thursday classes in Hazen. So we are going to build up the setup and start teaching. We will see you all back in the next video. Peace.